Hi guys, here's a demo on how to scan your app using Appvigil. The scanning process starts with uploading of the application file. Once the APK file is uploaded, click on the next button. In the new window, two options are shown: do it yourself and automatic. In automatic process, you simply have to upload the APK file and the app interaction part is handled by Appvigil on the cloud. You will be informed once the scan is complete and you can see the report in the dashboard. But DIY is the other way around. As the name implies, in do it yourself, you can interact with your application on a real device which is shown to you in the dashboard. While interacting with the application, all the API calls would be shown to you. You can choose to analyze different use cases of the application, or in other words, different flows of interacting with your application. The benefit of using DIY is that you can select the APIs manually which you want to scan and ignore any third-party API calls like analytics and advertisements. Please note that you will get 30 minutes of time to interact with the app once the device is shown to you. Here we are using DIY. In this process, after you upload the application and press the next button, we check if any unengaged device is available so as to run the session. If a device is available, you can start running the session instantly. And in case no device is available, a list of available time slots is shown from where you can book a particular future time slot for running the session. Once a device is available and you hit the start button, we set up the device for your session. Typically, setting up the device may take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. Once the device is ready for your session, you can see a black screen in which you have to enter the unique password which is shown to you in a pop-up on the top right part. After pressing enter, you can start interacting with the application on the device and all the API calls would be shown to you on the left hand side panel. You can click on add flow on the left hand side panel and type the name of the flow of your choice. Flows are basically different use cases of interacting with the application. For example, sign up flow, payment flow, ordering a product flow, etc. You can see your report after the scan according to different flows that you had created while interacting with the application. For example, here we have created a sign up flow. Register yourself by entering your email ID, phone number and password. Enter the code sent on your phone number that you had given in the registration step. Once the registration process is completed, again click on add flow and name the flow. You can see that along with each API, a grey box is shown with a number. This number indicates the number of times this particular endpoint has been hit. Once you are done interacting with the application and creating different flows, you can select the APIs which you want to submit for scan and click on the Run Scan button to end your session. You can choose to ignore any third-party APIs like advertisements or analytics to submit for scan. Once you end the session, your selected APIs and flows would be submitted for scan and the report would be generated after complete analysis. You can see the scan status by going to scan history on the left hand side panel.